Previously on Extreme Tinder Makeover.
Devin's brother Shane reached out to me and nominated him for a Tinder makeover.
His life has completely gone downhill.
Apparently Devin's going through a really bad breakup right now.
I caught her cheating on me.
If this doesn't work out, this could be the end of his dating life.
I'm just sick and tired of the person that I've become.
Let's touch back in a couple weeks and give you an Extreme Tinder makeover, man.
I need help.
Welcome back to another episode of Extreme Tinder Makeover, where we take average men and build them world-class online dating profiles. I'm your host, Hunter Lewis. Let's meet this week's contestant, Devin.
There he is.
Good to see you, my man.
You too.
Barely recognize you.
Thank you, I appreciate that.
After a fresh haircut, a new set of clothes, and 2 weeks of self-care, Devin was nearly unrecognizable.
I'm not gonna lie, after our last conversation, I wasn't sure if you were gonna drop off the face of the earth.
And I'm not gonna lie, I did get to that stage where I was like, I don't know if I want to do this. It's kind of overwhelming, especially with the cameras and everything, but it's just a process day by day.
That's all it is, man. The key to taking really good photos for your Tinder is you want to bring out the best energy.
Okay.
So what we'll do is we'll go to the beach, we'll throw a football around, we'll have a good time, we'll get some cool action shot photos of you.
Let's do it.
Let's go to the
do it,
beach, baby. Let's go.
Oh, yeah.
Hell yeah.
Got to be careful with these girls I try to hook up with after this makeover.
Yeah. Get monkeypox on your dick?
Yeah.
Back in my day, we called that herpes, buddy.
Herpes on the dick.
One of the most common questions guys have about online dating profiles is, what's the policy on shirtless selfies, shirtless photos? Is it flexing too hard? Is it douchey? Do girls find it hot when you show off the body? There's a lot of conflicting advice out there. Some dating coaches will tell you, yeah, if you have the body, put on a shirtless mirror selfie. But quite frankly, 60% of girls are gonna see that, think it's overly douchey, and just swipe left. And if 60% of women are swiping left based on one photo on your profile, the algorithm is probably gonna wreck you pretty hard. So what I recommend instead, if you do have a nice physique, as Devin does, you wanna show it off in a more candid way and be shirtless in environments where it makes sense to be shirtless. So rather than standing in a grungy basement bathroom with the urinal in the back, I recommend going somewhere where it makes sense, like the beach. Take your shirt off, grab a football, and try to get some candid photos of you just having a good time in a fun, relaxed environment. The reason I love the idea of this is because you can make such a nice dynamic pose too with like bent limbs and You can even do like a bit of a Zeus, you know? I referenced this type of photo in the matchbook, which is available in the link in the description of this video. In this photo, what we're really doing is trying to capture a nice action shot of Devin, showing off the physique, showing that he does fun things rather than sitting in his basement, watching Riley Reid videos, playing Minecraft all day. He gets out of the house, he likes to have a good time, and he goes to interesting places. Damn, does he look sexy.
You want this all full body, yeah?
We'll do some.
Yeah.
I'd say 80% of the photos we put on the actual Tinder profile will be kind of waist up or thigh up. We can always crop in too. Ready to fucking head out?
Let's do it.
Coming up on Extreme Tinder Makeover. With Devin's confidence riding at an all-time high, we decided to take him to the park for his next challenge, overcoming approach anxiety.
Sorry. Hi.
Devin, you got this, buddy. I believe in you.
I couldn't tell if you were innocent or an absolute baddie.
Will Devin rise to the occasion and continue to build momentum? Or will his old habits and insecurities cause him to crumble under the pressure?
I don't know if I can.
We have so many exciting episodes of Extreme Tinder Makeover coming up, so make sure you pound that like button, hit subscribe, and we will see you in the next episode. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it and you're trying to level up your online dating game, I highly recommend you check out my ultimate dating profile guide, The Matchbook. So if you're ready to level up, get more matches, get more dates on dating apps, go on over to wingmanplus.com right now.